Maribor se lahko od danes naprej ponaša z novim in najčistejšim svetovnim rekordom, z največjim labirintom iz pralnega praška. In koliko časa so organizatorji potrebovali za postavitev nove svetovne zanimivosti?
Sestavljali smo ga 2 dni, skupaj 15 ur, začelo se je v soboto popoldne in zaključilo včeraj zvečer. Sestavljajo ga je pa 20 ljudi. Labirint je postavljen danes, potem pa vabimo vse kupce, da ga pridejo pomagati razstaviti. Labirint je bil naprej načrtovan, arhitekt ga je izrisal, tako da je bilo vse po načrtih, seveda pa ravno zaradi Guinnessove knjige rekordov je potrebno vse skrbno pripraviti, zmeriti, potrditi, tako da je zadeva bila pripravljena naprej.
Pogovarjali smo se tudi s predstavnikom Guinnessove knjige rekordov, ki je povedal.
Well, it's an impressive record because the previous record for this category was broken in 1999. So it took 9 years to settle a larger package product display. Well, we have been here during the whole morning once the maze was finished, and we have been counting that all the boxes are full with the same product, which in this case is Ariel washing powder. We have been measuring with the help of one civil engineer all the volume of the display. We have been contouring that the boxes are attached one to another. So we have seen that all the guidelines, all the rules for this record have been followed. And now we know that measuring, counting, everything is larger than the previous one. So we can officially announce that it's the largest in history.